In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn your first $200 a day with CPA marketing. And I'm going to show you how to do this for absolutely free. So the first thing which you want to do is to come onto this platform called coursecity.com. And this is a website that allows you get access to free online courses. Don't worry, this platform is actually going to help you get courses that you can use to make money with CPA marketing. Once you come over to this website, you just need to click on this free courses section. It's going to bring you to this page. As you can see, there are several categories of online courses that you can click on and have access to. Now, I'm just going to utilize this first one here as an example. If I do click on this, it has some sections where you can actually do select courses from categories. You can also go on to selecting topics right now to select any topic of your choice, but for the purpose of today's video, I'm just gonna go on to focusing on a specific topic called ChatGPT. If I do select that, I will be able to see several courses that I can just simply give away to people and make money online. Now you want to just simply select the most suitable one for you right now. This one right here shows you the Master ChatGPT for Midjourney and GPT-4. So you can just simply keep on scrolling through and you can actually do see a lot of cool and amazing courses right now. This one right here is for the ChatGPT crash course, the quickest way you can learn ChatGPT. So if I actually do go on further to selecting this particular course right now, maybe I want to utilize this one right here. As you can see right here, people can get access to this course for absolutely free. So the next thing which you want to do from here is to head onto your CPA marketing account right now, or any CPA marketing platform that actually do have the content logging capability. I'm going to be utilizing CPA Group for this purpose. You can utilize any other CPA marketing platform of your choice. You can click on register for CPA Group, be brought to this page, fill out the form appropriately, agree to the terms of service, and actually go on to getting your account created. Once your account has been created, log into your account. So once you do log into your account, you want to come onto the URL file locker section of your account by clicking on monetization tools and click on URL file locker. You want to create a new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, and click on continue. Once the page loads up successfully, guys, you just want to go onto this template section, and I actually do prefer that you go on to utilizing this file download locker template, because we're actually going to be giving out courses right here, and people may want to just simply think that you're just simply going to go on to giving them the link to download that particular course, which is why this will actually be the most effective for you to go on to utilizing. If I just select this one right now, guys, I can just simply head back to the general section. What you want to do right now is to give this a very simple name right here. So I'm just going to give it something like course just for identification purpose, and you want to make sure you actually fill out these details right here to fit into that particular course you're actually giving out to people. So what I'm going to do right now is to just simply edit this to something like ChatGPT. So guys, if you do take a look at this right now, these details has actually been edited to fit into that particular course right now. Now the next thing which you want to do is to grab your locked URL and paste in this section. To get that, all you need to do is to get back to this free online course website, and you want to just simply copy this URL right here. You then want to head back to this section and paste that right in here. The next thing which you want to do from here is to actually come over to this section that says advanced. You want to also go on to changing the number of leads required for conversions to 2 or 3. Now I'm going to leave this on 2. You want to also come right here to change the number of offers that will be shown to your visitors. I'm going to leave this like 5. Once you're done, you just need to click on save, and your content locker will be created right now. The next thing which you want to do is to drive traffic to the locker and make money off this course, which you want to just simply click on get link, and you can actually get the link to your content locker or URL file locker right here by clicking on copy link. Now we want to just simply utilize this platform right here called tumblr.com, and this is going to be a very cool platform to promote your offers, as not a lot of affiliate marketers are actually utilizing this platform. So which is why you actually have the advantage right here on this website right now, and it actually makes it easier to make money online. And don't worry guys, you're not going to be creating any content on this website. All you need to do is to come onto the search section of this account and search for keyword related to that niche. Since I'm using ChatGPT, I'm just gonna search for ChatGPT right now. Once you do that, guys, you want to come onto this section that says all time. You want to change that to last week, or you can actually go on to changing that to today, and you'll be able to see posts that are actually posted between this time frame. Now you want to just simply come right here. You can actually click on notes, and notes is like a form of engagement, like and shares that you actually do see on other platforms. You want to come over to people that actually do like this particular post, and that will actually tell you that these are people that are interested in this particular content. You can see right now that over about 83 persons actually like this particular post, which actually tells you that they're interested in ChatGPT content. All you need to do is to actually click on each of them right here. It's going to take you to their profile, of which you can click on this plus button. Once you click on that, guys, you'll be able to just simply send them a message, and this is where you want to just simply get creative for this. All you need to do is to type something captivating such as this right here, or you want to just simply feel free to tweak this any way which you actually want. This actually says check out this free ChatGPT course. It helped me grow my business, and it can help you as well. Now this is where you want to just simply paste in your content locker link, and for individuals that are actually interested in using ChatGPT to actually promote their business, they can actually do that right now with this particular section. All you need to do right now is to go back to your CPA Grape account, copy the link to this right now, and you want to just simply go on to creating a landing page, which may actually be optional for this. You can create a landing page with this particular platform called the card.co, or any other landing page builder site of your choice. This particular platform will actually help you to create a one-page landing page that can help you promote this particular course. If you don't want to do that, guys, you can basically just simply utilize a URL shortener like tinyurl.com, paste in the link right here, click on shorten the URL, and it's actually going to give me a shortened version of that URL file locker right now. You want to copy that right here, head back to that particular platform called Tumblr, and you want to just simply paste that in right here. All you need to do next is to click on send, and you want to just simply go on to repeating the same process for other accounts right there, and you don't need to actually follow them. You can just simply send message to that account. You want to make sure you do this to as many accounts as possible, and you want to make sure, guys, that if you do this, you can keep in mind that you're going to just simply get traffic from people in top tier countries like the United States right there. And you can see right now that the website called Tumblr actually gets 184.6 million visits in just the last 28 days. And if I do scroll down to the bottom section, you can see right here that it gets most of its traffic from top tier countries like United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, and Australia. But most of its traffic actually comes from the United States. As you can see, about 45% of the website traffic come from United States, 5.71 from United Kingdom, 5 from Canada, and 3.4 from Germany, 2.6 from Australia right now. And that's absolutely quite cool right now, and these are actually all top tier countries. If they actually do complete some offers on your content locker, you can actually go on to imagine how much you're gonna be getting per person right now. You don't actually do this, or you don't actually need to do this in just this single niche alone, which is ChatGPT. You can just simply head back right there and go on to selecting any topic of your choice to replicate this same strategy, and you can actually start making money in passive income right now in this particular platform right here called Tumblr right now. And a lot of people are actually interested in this platform, and you can just simply focus on posts that are actually going to be posted every single day right now. If you do select it today, you can also come right now to this particular section. Maybe you want to just simply follow this hashtag, and you know when people actually create content in this particular or related to this particular hashtag, and you can actually go on to utilizing that right there to make a lot of money online. And I do hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, guys, why not just simply hit the like button to the video. You can subscribe to my channel right here called OJ Marketing, because I regularly create videos right now that helps you to make money online. You'll want to also make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I release some cool videos to help you boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.